The expression ballpark figure is a colloquial phrase used to describe an approximate or rough estimate of a quantity or value. It is often used when discussing numbers, financial matters, or projections, and indicates that the given figure is not precise, but rather falls within a reasonable range or approximation. The phrase originated from the context of baseball, where the term ballpark refers to the baseball stadium or the area where the game is played. In baseball, the field is divided into sections called ballparks or parks. The term figure refers to a numerical value or calculation. Therefore, a ballpark figure is an estimation or approximation of a value that is within the range or scope of what can be expected, just as a baseball player tries to hit the ball within the boundaries of the ballpark. When someone uses the expression ballpark figure, they are implying that the given number is a rough estimate or a reasonable approximation. It indicates that the exact figure might not be known or might be subject to change, based on further analysis or information. The phrase can be applied to various contexts. For example, in business or finance, it may be used when discussing budgets, project costs, or revenue projections. It acknowledges that the exact values might be subject to change due to various factors, such as market conditions or unforeseen circumstances. Furthermore, the expression can be used in everyday conversations when discussing quantities or measurements. For instance, someone might say, "Can you give me a ballpark figure of how many people attended the event?" This implies that they are seeking an approximate number rather than an exact count. It is important to note that a ballpark figure is not meant to be precise or accurate down to the last detail. It serves as a useful tool for providing a rough estimate or a starting point for further analysis or decision-making. Depending on the context and the specific situation, the range of a ballpark figure can vary. It can span from a wide range to a more narrow and specific range, depending on the available information and the purpose of the estimation. In summary, a ballpark figure is a rough estimate or approximation of a value or quantity. It originated from the context of baseball, where hitting the ball within the boundaries of the ballpark is the goal. The phrase indicates that the given number is not precise, but falls within a reasonable range or approximation. It is commonly used in discussions involving numbers, finance, or projections, acknowledging that the exact figure might not be known or subject to change. The use of ballpark figures helps provide a general understanding and starting point for further analysis or decision-making.